alone, every night alone. Why am I alone when you know that you want me to? Am I wrong?
Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I go from this to this. So if you're interested in seeing, make sure you keep on watching.
Like a bottom, you.
So today's video is sponsored by beautyytb. I will be showing you guys their 24-inch medium Auburn 13x4 lace front curly unit. Now this unit is 150% density, and for the construction, of course, 3 combs and the elastic band. And they also have 2 adjustable elastic bands at the nape area as well. So I did go in and co-wash this unit, and I also bleached the knots because they were a little dark and I wanted it to be invisible when I install this unit. And I'm going ahead and flattening out those roots as normal. I do this in all of my hair tutorials. This is nothing new. So after I co-washed and all that, I let it air dry, and I also did not pluck this unit. And yeah, this is just how it looks, and that's how I'm going to install it. So once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and do my bald cap method and put my powder to let it blend a little bit better. So I'm not going to talk throughout this entire video because everything is pretty self-explanatory, but I will be going in with my mousse and also shaping this hair just to give it a little more definition, but you guys will see that in a minute.
Oh yes.
The Drake, fuck it out, making them pay. It's high, and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said out here having this way. Way out here having this way. And like the third me go out, take me. What? Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high, and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said out here having this way. Way out here having this way. And like the third me go out, take it. Hey, look. Now that I'm picking it through, I just ain't fell in love cause I'm way too awake. And she try fucking a rapper to break on my heart, but my heart doesn't break. Soon as I link with these niggas, they feelings are written all over their face. What? Okay, great. I'm in the back room with Wally's, I spent 30,000 on somebody's grapes. Eating this so many pull-ups on niggas, no wonder we getting in shape. Too busy backing my words up with actions to ever go front of your face.
kind of indecisive on how I wanted to style this unit. I wanted to do half up, half down initially, but I just decided to go with the flip over method because I always wanted to do that with some big curly hair, and I took advantage of this frontal because one, I never wear frontals. I recently just started wearing frontals like that, and I didn't think that I can do this flip over method with a closure. So I ended up just doing this style instead, and it came out so good. I'm so happy I went with this choice. But as for styling, I just went ahead and wet the hair thoroughly, and then I'm going in with my organic root stimulator foaming mousse and just distributed that throughout the hair so we can define those curls just a little bit. I purposely didn't part the hair and go section by section because I didn't want the curls to be super defined. I wanted them to be kind of messy and big and just have like that effortless look at the end. So you're gonna see, like, I didn't even let it air dry. I didn't go ahead and diffuse the hair. I just, as you can see, cut it and went straight into just blow drying it because I wanted it to be big, fluffy, and wild, like slightly wild, not too wild, but defined wild, if you know what I mean.
Sit on my left, but somehow I always be pulling up late.
So this is how the hair looked about, I'll say 70% dry. It was almost how I wanted it to be, but I needed to cut some layers in it because this was not what I was going for. So I did some light layers in the front and also on the opposite side, and it came out so beautiful. Like, this just reminded me of like a SZA inspired look, and this was completely out of my comfort zone, but child, I did that. Like, this looks really good. After that, this is how the hair looked when it was about 95% dry. So I went ahead and cut more layers in it since I was able to see how the hair was going to stay because it was pretty much dry at this point. So after that, that's pretty much the whole tutorial. It was super simple, and this took me nothing but 30-45 minutes to achieve, even with the drying. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much, Beauty Forever, for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in my future ones. Bye guys. Mwah.
My baby mama.